Diaries. So this is my hostel food. Veg fried rice, veg noodles fried rice, ala? Veg noodles fried rice, mixed pulse bhaji, gobi manchuri, chapati and dry gobi which I got because my roommate fought for it. This is my roommate's plate. I'll not show my roommate. She's a very shy oriented person. And this is chas, majke in Kannada for digestion. And this is your vibing dish. Barte na? Proper barte angle. This is your vibing dish. Yes, so we are in the mess. You can see a little bit background. I'll not shoot properly. Just look at the angle. Is it proper? Correct. Proper. Yes, we are setting out the angle. I'm your vibing dish. So we are having food now. What if we are alone? The food is tasty and that's enough for us. Allah roommate? Yes. Nice. Actually, the food is very tasty. Sham, you missed the food today. The food is actually very tasty. Let me taste and tell you how is the food, guys. Actually, mixed pulse bhaji they give, it won't be tasty. Like arda marda bende dirte. Even sakkat is it's very tasty. Let me taste and tell you.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ
Unexpected. I'm unexpected. See, they say that gobi manchurian chapati combination try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ once. So chapati ಮೇಲೆ gobi manchurian ತಿಂತೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Everybody eats right. ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಜನ ಚಪಾತಿ ಮೇಲೆ gobi manchurian ತಿಂದಿರ್ತೀರ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ. Dude, try ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ. ಚಪಾತಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸ್ತಾ ತಿಂತಾರಲ್ಲ. Pasta salad.
No matter how tasty the food is, hostel ka khana is hostel ka khana. Anything in excess is dangerous. It was not about food, by the way. थोड़ा सा शॉपिंग कर लिया, अभी रूम को जाने का वापस.
We had my lunch. Now it's time to Batte Studio Karakrama. I bought Surf Excel. They say that Surf Excel is good for batte washing. Hi guys, welcome to Hostel Diaries. I'm your vibing dish. So today I'm all alone here. My roommate is going to her place, and I feel by tomorrow even I will leave to my hometown. Right now, let me shoot what all I'm gonna do today. I don't have pretty much to do, and I think actually they have given gap for our exams. So in these exams we have gaps. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna clean all the clothes that is left for washing purpose. Apart from that, I will do some editing and reset my mind, my body and myself completely. I'm in final year of MBA. Just check to butterfly in my left. I really love this. So yes, I'm in the final year of MBA. There are time left for my exams. I need to prepare for my exams, and I know that I'm a YouTuber, I'm an influencer, so that I have to think of some content, some great content, so that I can crack a lot of audience and explore myself. And मेरी एक dynasty होगी, empire होगा मेरा, vibing dish. पर पहले मैं कपड़े धोऊंगी. Guys, welcome to the mess which I created. नहीं इतने कपड़े नहीं है, वो थोड़े बेडशीट से इसलिए वॉल्यूम बहुत दिख रहा है, लेकिन बहुत सारे हैं. तो लेट मी स्टार्ट. लेट मी फिल दिस फर्स्ट, देन मैं कपड़े दूंगी. आई कैन डू अ नाइस ट्यूटोरियल ऑन कैसे यू कैन वॉश योर कपड़े इन हॉस्टल, दैट टू चकाचक आगे. हेलो माय फ्यूचर किड्स. There's a message from your mom, a vibing dish superstar of her era, that be kind to those who deserves your kindness. Not everybody. Everybody did not deserve your kindness. If something is hurting you, then let you know that it is not okay. नो मैटर वॉट एवर द थिंग इज, अगर दर्द हो रहा है तो हो रहा है, and the only person who can give you relief from your pain is you yourself. So मुझको मन कैसा मार, okay? Now let's log. So let's wash the kabades. चलती है क्या से किनारे तेरे चलने वाले आगे 10 का पीछे 12. ब्रो धीरे करने को क्या उस गली में कभी तेरा जाना हुआ, जहाँ से ज़माने को गुज़रे ज़माना हुआ. मेरा शहर तो यहीं पे है तेरा, बताओ तुम्हें क्या मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ. Hey guys, I'm ready for कबड्डी धुनी का कार्यक्रम. Zing 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 zing. चलो, let me meet you
Hi
after my
guys,
walk.
let me start on my skincare routine. Nothing as a routine, just a moisturizer, and if I'm going outside then little bit sunscreen. Right now I'll use only moisturizer. This is Ayush moisturizer, one of the best moisturizers, Ayurvedic moisturizer. If you try it, you're gonna fall in love with it. It glides on your skin smooth as butter, and it's very 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 friendly. I'm done with skincare. Now I'll just go outside, have a round, and come back. And then I'll pack my bags because I'll be probably leaving tomorrow. So, yes, done with the day. And my stomach is also full. I'm doubtful that I'll have dinner or not. So, yes, right now I'm very curious about one topic. Okay, now there are some national tea brands. Okay, like this question was asked by my professor, so which I am also getting interested these days. Like the thing is, now there are national tea brands and people love chai. In India, to chai is very famous. So like Tata's, Red Label, and everything. So and there are so many local vendors. If the national brands lower their prices, is there a possibility for local brands to have a huge share of market? Is there a possibility of local brands to acquire larger share in market? Like for this, it was so curious and interesting because when I surveyed, I took interview of some people. Some people said that their brand doesn't matter to them. The only thing that matters is quality. So when I asked like if a local brand gives a very good quality, then you will assure its quality and you will purchase it. Then people said that depends. If the local brand, I will check everything, each and every. For some people, brand is very important because when they come, that are national brands. For example, when they say tea, for example, Red Label is not just a national brand for them. Red Label is an emotion. So when I went on asking them question, I got to know that they like chai not because of Red Label. Red Label has become an emotion because that has passed from generations to generation. They like tea and that too of a particular brand because their parents were using that in their house and they it passed on to them. So Red Label is something like a traditional trait what their family is having. So I got to know that even the psychological barrier even plays a role. but they will not prefer any local brands in their home except Red Label. They don't like any other company, any other brand. But the same tea they drink in the college canteen, and that time they don't see whether it is Red Label, whether it is Tata, or they will not check so much, because in college it has become an option. Like it has become mandatory. Like they will be in a very stressful situation, they will come back, they have to have 1 cup tea, 2 to 3 cups they have. That time they don't see what is the brand, but when they go home they cannot try any other brand, they want to try Red Label only. It is becoming so mysterious that I am getting so much curious about this topic. I don't know where this will go, but I feel that it's really a great topic to research on. Like, if the high brands, like the nationalized brands which have already set a market, if they lower their prices, then there is any possibility for local brands to grow. What is your opinion? If you have any opinion, then please let me know so that it will be easy for my research. So yes, like, share, subscribe. Vibing this, signing off. Guys, one thing I want to tell you, that I end the vlog, and I would like to say to each and every one that apna time aega, aega, apna time aega. I don't know why I'm saying this, but I want to say I'm saying ho gaya, bas. Guys, there is one more thing I want to share, that I have written a song. Okay, according to me, it's a rap song, but the tuning is not correct, and I don't have a proper rhythm for it. But I have written lyrics, and I feel there is something, meaningful in that. And it's a rap song. When a correct time comes, I will post it myself. But I don't know how to take it forward. Like, I have just written the lyrics, and I'm trying to sing in different forms. So I don't know how to do it. If anybody has any kind of suggestions or any kind of help, then please let me know. It's about a girl who does things anyway. It's like a lot of things are going on in her life, but still she manages to lift herself and wear her crown, which she owns it every time. It's something like that. It's crazy. It's kind of working on. It's in the working stage. So, like, if somebody, when they write lyrics, how to take it forward, please let me know about it. And yes, and give me some suggestions of what kind of videos I can come up with. I can bring up with some interesting content which can resonate me with you guys. So let me know some ideas. I have a list of ideas which I'm working on. So let me know from you guys too. Yes. So yes, let's end the vlog. Like, share, subscribe. Be a good person. Be a kind person. Because kindness always comes back to you. But be very particular with which person you're being kind to. And no matter what, love yourself. Because the only person who is going to stay with you till the end is you yourself. Yes. Love you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.